What's going on, everybody? Tony here, Lisa here, and we're at Magic Kingdom, and we are going on the People Mover because we want to see what is new with the TRON update. And the only way to really do that is either the People Mover and or taking the monorail.
The monorail, because we took that over here.
Yeah, so
you really don't like get a good glimpse.
No, but you can see that stuff's going on. So this is part 2 of the construction phase.
Dun, dun, dun.
People Mover has gotten a little bit of a line. It's not working. I gotta physically walk. I'm too lazy for this. It's like climbing the freaking Stairmaster. The People Mover. TRON update.
Your trip.
Enjoy your trip, Lisa.
Quiet and carefree highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your grand circle tour of Tomorrowland. The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
Nobody's gonna wave to you, Lisa.
Prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. Shopping, then you'll want to visit Mickey Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around.
Okay, we're getting ready to come to the construction here. And you can already see the crane, which has been here for a while, but then we see another yellow crane, which has been here not too terribly long. We're gonna zoom in a little bit here, because there's definitely, from what I see, you can see definite footers. There's just a whole bunch going on. Let's zoom in pretty good. There's a better close look. You did it.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain.
We're gonna come back around because swing us back where we can see that construction again, so we'll zoom back in to get it one more time. Things are definitely progressing along. This thing's gonna be amazing.
For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. laughing. Share the fun.
No, she's not.
Approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station. Our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops.
It's definitely coming along, which is good, which is very nice. It'll be ready here before you know it. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Vlog.
Please keep your arms and
This one works.